Okay. So here we have our next question. It's asking us, what is the formula for the area of a trapezoid? Okay. What is the area of a trapezoid? All right. So first, let's define what a trapezoid is. Okay. So a trapezoid is a closed shape with four sides with one pair of parallel sides, and the parallel sides are known as the bases, and while the non-parallel sides are the legs of trapezoid. And let's draw a graph. Yep. So let's call this h, which is stand for height, and that's area 1, area 2. And that's B1, it's B2. Okay. So as you can see here, B1 and B2 are the pair of parallel sides, and this is also known as the basis. And the non-parallel lines are, in this case, let's call this C and D, which is this part and this part, and those are what we call the legs of the trapezoid. All right. So by knowing this, we're looking at the above figure, and we can see that the area of a trapezoid is a combination of the area of a triangle at the center and the two right triangle on both sides. So that's let's see, area 1, and that's a rectangle, and that's area 3, which is another triangle, and all this can form a trapezoid. Okay. So we can represent the area of trapezoid as the area of rectangle plus the area of the triangles. Remember there are two triangles, and now we'll have to use a formula for the area of a triangle, which is given by, so this part is just equal to length times width. And the formula for the area of a triangle is given by triangle squared by 1/2 times base times height. Alright. So for the rectangle in the given trapezoid, the length and the width are the height, and the base B1 of the trapezoid. Therefore, the area of the triangle at the center of the trapezoid is, so now we're calculating, we'll use another color. So for the orange area, we know that the base is just B1, and we also have our height, which is h. So this part is also equal to B1 times h. So that's the area for our rectangle part. And also, in terms of the triangle part, I'll use another color. The base and the height of the triangle are the A1, A2, and h of the trapezoid. So hence the area of the triangle would be I'll write it on here. Just 2 times A1H plus A2H, which can be also written as A1 plus A2 divided by 2 times H. Yeah, so if we look at this triangle, we know this part is A1, and with the height H, so if I draw it on the side, it will look like this. So I want to calculate the area of this triangle. It's just going to be 1/2 times A1 times H, which is same thing as A1H over 2. And the same thing on the right hand side as well. I mean, on the right side as well. For this area, it has a height as H and a base as A2. And want to calculate the area of this part. It's just going to be 1/2 times A2 times H, which is the same thing as A2H over 2. Yeah, so we just add these two together, and that's what we got for the triangle part, and this is what we got for the rectangle part. All right. So from the figure, we can see that, I'll write this down. A1 plus B1 plus A2 is equal to B2. So which means A1 plus A2 is equal to B2 minus B1. Yeah. So from the first step to the second step, we just minus B1 on both sides. Minus B1. Minus B1. All right. So we can rewrite the area of the triangles in terms of B1 and B2 as triangles B2 minus B1 over 2H. And combining the formula for the area of the triangle and the formula for the area of the rectangle, we will have A is equal to B1H plus B2 minus B1 over 2 times H, which is also equal to B1H minus B1H over 2 plus B2H over 2, which is the same thing as, because for B1H, it is also the same thing as 2B1H over 2 minus B1H over 2 plus B2H over 2. So it's the same thing as B1H over 2 plus B2H over 2. Right. So simplifying further, we will get area is equal to 1/2 times B1 plus B2 times H. And let's write a conclusion there. So here's the formula of the area of the trapezoid is, we just copy down the formula below, 1/2 times B1 plus B2 times H, which B1 and B2 are the two bases and H are the height. Yeah, so I think that's all we got for this question. And let's leave a comment there. B1 plus B2. Right.